Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best export settings for Instagram in DaVinci Resolve. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, go to your media pool, go to your timeline and right click it. So go to timelines and then timeline setting. So here in format, just uncheck the use project settings. And then right here, of course, we have to use our vertical resolution. So it's going to be 180 by 1920. So right there, and always make sure your timeline frame rate is going to be 23 frames per second or 30 since it's the cap for Instagram. So press OK and now you're ready. Now as you can see, you can drag and drop any type of clips you want since it's going to be rescaled to Instagram level only. From there, go to your delivery tab basically, and then here go to custom export, and here in your export video use your codec H.2.65, and then right here just go switch to MP4, and then your resolution and then your frame rate, you can use 30 FPS, and there you go, and add to render queue, and it's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.